Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? So in this video, we're gonna have a look at media queries in Flutter. So as you guys know, that while building a new application, you might want to change the layout according to the different device configurations. So for that, we use the media query widget. So let's start. Consider three containers in a column widget, and what I'll do is I will give the different heights to the container. So let's begin. Remove the center, add a column, and I will add the three containers here. For differentiation, I will give the different colors to the container. For example, colors dot orange. Give a height of 70 pixels. Copy, paste, and paste. So now just hot reload and see. So here are the three containers with height 70, 50, and 40 respectively. Now I need this third container to grab the space that is left empty. So I have two options here. One is to add expanded widget to it, and the other one is the media query. So if you wrap this container in expanded widget, now if I hot reload, you can see that the container has grabbed the completely left space. But guys, this is not a good approach to do that. Instead of this, I can use the media query widget. So what if I need the third container to take 40% of the remaining space of screen. So what I will do is remove this 40 and I will add the media query dot off dot context, which is a required parameter that takes this context dot size dot height and multiply it with 0.4, that is the 40 pixels. And when you hot reload, you can see that it has taken the 40% of the remaining space. What if I need these two containers to align horizontally with the taking 50% of the device width? So what I will do is I will remove this column and I draw, and width are already defined. What I will do is I will just multiply it with 0.5, means 50%, and 0.5 here also. And when you hot reload, you can see that it has occupied 50% container number 1 and 50% container number 2. So there are two properties in media query. Number one is the size and number two is the orientation. So let's check out the orientation example. So I've completely removed the body. So for the orientation, there's a great way to check whether your device is in portrait or landscape mode. So what I will do is I will just check whether the device is in portrait mode or landscape mode. So for that, the child center, I will check the orientation and display the text as per the ternary operator. So you can check via media query dot off context, which is the required parameter, dot orientation equals orientation dot landscape, display the text landscape. Otherwise, display the text portrait. And when I hot reload, so as you can see, the device is in portrait mode now. So it is displaying the text portrait. So what if I change this device resolution to landscape? As you can see, it has displayed the text landscape, and when I click back, rotate left, so it has displayed portrait. So that's all from this video, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.